Hey guys, welcome back. Hey, I wanted to show you a new kit that I just received from Hobby Nut Models. Just got this in a couple days ago. Mark over at Hobby Nut Models is starting to carry these Salvinos JR Nascar kits, which are really cool. And he sent one over my way to let me open the box and check out the insides, which is always cool. He's got quite a few of them. He asked which one would I like to review, and you just don't get no more unique than that. Who was this? Cale Yarborough. I think old Cale Yarborough was from down south, close to where I'm from. I think he was from Florida somewhere. Was he from Jacksonville? I don't remember. But I'm going to open this thing up and we're going to check it out. I've seen guys review these kits, and apparently they're really nice. I know that Salvinos bought quite a few of the monogram molds. Then they also have their own. Now, what I'm not sure of, and you guys probably know more about this, which ones did Salvinos, which ones are theirs? I accidentally got some box damage on it. Just disregard that. Cale, he took a close one right there. Boy, it went right through the window. But yeah, so this is the 1/25th scale. I think that the monogram kits were the 1/24th scale. I'm not 100% sure, but I think that's the case. So this may be one that is a Salvinos kit. Ooh, these boxes are tight. They're not going to fall apart, that's for sure. They don't need to put packaging or cellophane on them. There we go. So yeah, let me back up a second. This is the 442. I know that that's a cool car, and so that's another reason I wanted to. I didn't want it to be the Ford or the Chevy. I wanted it to be do something different. Let's get these parts out. We'll check them out. Oh yeah, I can already tell you this chrome is awesome. Very nice chrome. You got that toy chrome, and then you've got the real deal, and this is the real deal right here. This is, you do not have to dechrome this, I can go ahead and tell you. Wow, that's really, really nice chrome. Really, really nice. Wow, I'm impressed already. Get out the decal sheet here. Check that out. I was wondering about this kit, about how you had to paint it. Some of these NASCAR kits are a beast. So this one, if we look here, I figured that it would be white with the gold stripe at the bottom, but apparently you don't have to paint the gold stripe. That's decal. You could paint it, but that's a decal here. Wow, these decals are something fancy too. Really nice decal kit. Really, really nice. Alright, let me get this box out of the way. So first off, first impressions. Wow, that looks good. That's a nice kit, or a nice body. So, not many panel lines with the molds will leave. There's a small one here, not really one there. A lot of times where the molds seam or whatever, you have quite a bit of, okay, so there's a little here. That's a really, not much prep at all. It's pretty cool. Not much prep. So, yeah, I'm curious to know, is this the monogram kit, or is this a the new one by Salvinos? I'm not sure. Let me know. I don't do many unboxings or reviews, and that's okay. But I am impressed. I will be 100% honest with you. I don't think this is the old monogram kit. I think this is their new stuff. Really, really sharp. The molds are really in really good shape, or they're brand new, and I'm thinking probably brand new. There's your small block. Well, I say small block Chevy. It looks like a small block Chevy intake. Would a 78 Olds 442 have had a in the NASCAR series? Would they have run a Chevrolet, or would it have been an Oldsmobile? Because, you know, in the later days, if it was a Pontiac or if it was a Chevrolet, or, you know, who knows what else, it would have just been a Chevrolet based engine. So yeah, good question. How about that in the comments? There's your floor pan. Wow, this is a cool, this really, guys, I'm not just putting on just because Mark sent me this kit. This is nice. This is really nice. It almost has a thicker, it feels a little heavier than normal. Even just holding this tree, I know it's got bigger pieces, but it's the parts, like that body feels a little thicker. Maybe a higher quality plastic or something, I don't know. But here's your window net, cylinder heads. Okay, so look here, you get a set of paintable wheels, and then you get a set of chrome wheels. Cool. So there's some spare parts already. Those wheels would probably look pretty decent on like a street car or something too. You paint them up. I have no idea what these are. It almost looks like main bearing caps. What is that? They look like main bearing caps, but I know we're not building the engine. Hey, there's the distributor. Nice and tiny there. Let me see if this camera will focus in. There's the distributor. Water pump. Oh wow. How about you can see? No, I can see. There's the water pump right there. And if it would focus, and it must not be going to focus. Okay, whatever. So anyway, water pump. Here's, these are something to do with the sway, the chassis sway bars, shocks, radiator hoses, NASCAR style exhaust, oil pan. There's your headers, radiator. I don't know what that is. Some kind of, might be for the oil tank or the fuel cell or something like that. Looks like the top of the fuel cell or the inlet for it right there. And there's the engine and the old super safe racing seat there with the harness molded into it. Yeah, you would surely you wouldn't sustain any head or neck injuries with that seat. It almost looks like a seat you would have in your living room, but that's what it was. That actually looks like the this here looks like the timing cover for a Chevrolet. It's your alternator, water pump, more shocks, steering wheel. What the heck is that? That's your differential front. There's the front of your differential, I guess. Maybe the back of your differential. I would have thought they'd run a 9-inch Ford, but that does not look like a 9-inch. Does not look like a 9-inch Ford. Pardon my phone beeping. But yeah, there's the, oh wow, leaf springs. So leaf springs, no coilovers on the back of this one. And then the fuel cell and the rear differential. and the windows, clear parts. Just right off, I can tell you this kit would be easy to build. It would not be a frustration because it is so clean. Here's your clear parts with the bracing molded, already molded into the to the windows. Cool. And the tires. I'm gonna, as soon as I cut this video, I'm gonna go check. I should have done my homework first, but I am pretty sure that this is not a monogram kit. These tires are also sort of unique. There we go. They are they're different than anything I've really seen. They're nice and rubbery, so they don't. Yeah, those are nice. They're gonna look good. Gonna look good. And the metal axle. And yeah, I like it. I think that it will be a good kit to build. And I think it would be an easy kit to build. When I say easy, obviously, all kits going to give you some kind of little hiccup. Okay, so here's something about the Salvinos JR Model Club. There's, well, they have nice instruction booklets. Kind of remind me of a Tamiya or something like that because of the gloss pages. Oh, wow. Yeah, really nice. Yeah, these kits cost a few more dollars than a Revell or AMT or something, but I can tell you why. It looks like they went the extra mile. Really, really nice. You must be 18 years or older before assembling this. Don't let us catch you doing it under 18. I don't know why they would have that on there. That makes no sense at all. 18 years and older. I bet that's because you have to buy glue. And at some of these stores, they want to card you for glue or spray paint or anything. I guess they think you're going to go huffing the spray paint or something like that. So you have to be an adult to be able to buy those things now. Crazy days, crazy days. Also, guys, before I end this, Mark also sent me over some accessory things. This is hoses and detail wire. So battery cable and heater hose. So he carries this. This is and this is actual wire. This is the big black one. And so when you mold your radiator hoses, if it's just, I have some stuff from Hobby Lobby, and I have to put a piece of brass tubing inside it to be able to mold it, or it's just round, you know, if you make a bend with it. But this is wire. So when you make the radiator hose with this and you conform it to the shape you need, it's going to stay that way because it's wire. And then they have the battery wire, battery cable, red and black. You guys that like to wire up those batteries, there you go. And here is a distributor kit. So this is a distributor. It comes with a little spun or machined aluminum distributor. The base, you get the black wire for your boots, and then you have the yellow wire in this particular one. It's yellow, and also it comes with the little inserts. If you have a 4 or a 6 or an 8 cylinder, it's got the different little inserts for the top of the distributor to hold your wires, and it's also got those little wire looms. Check it out. You can actually see it pretty decent, I think, on the camera, best I can tell. So yeah, it's got the little distributor, the wire, and it comes with the little wire looms and all kind of little different things. Pretty cool. So yeah, go check it out. This is the DM3204 yellow distributor kit. Next is This is just specifically wire looms. All kind of wire looms, like for your spark plugs. So this is hard for me to point. Let me get a toothpick here. So these little guys would be like mounted onto your valve cover, and then your plug wires run through it. You know how you would have, and they hold your wires. And then there's all these little bitty looms. There's a bunch of them. There's more than one kit worth here. And that's the wire looms #1. And next is, he sent me over some stupid camera. Come on. Anyway, there we go. Blue wire, spark plug wire, and the boot. Okay. So you want, it's obviously he has more colors than just blue, but this is the one he sent me. So it's the blue spark plug wire and the boot, or the wire that you create the boots with. And then here's something pretty neat. Some of you high-end detailers, he's got that seatbelt material. It's this is burgundy seatbelt material, but you could paint it whatever color you want to. It looks like to me. And then it's got all these little seatbelt latches. Isn't that cool? See those? There's a ton of them too. You could do like 20 cars with that. And yeah, so that's some of the stuff. Alright, so yeah, camera cut off. Sorry about that. Anyway, yeah, what I was saying is that's just some of the stuff he's got over there. He's got plenty more. Go over and take a visit, hobbynutmodels.com. Go get you a Salvinos JR Nascar kit. And if you don't like those, he's got some Moebius kits over there too. Go check those out. They're had some old NASCAR kits from the 50s, I think, like the Hudson Hornet. And there were some others that were like these old, super old NASCAR kits by Moebius. And Moebius makes a great kit. I've built a Moebius truck before. But anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I will build this kit shortly, and it will be awesome. I don't know if I'll use the decals for the yellow or if I'll paint that down there. I don't know. But, because see, if you paint it, I'm just going to get off on a tangent real fast. If you paint it, then you need a stripe to the pinstripe between it. And guess what? It's got the pinstripes right there. Isn't that cool? Very cool. But anyway, yeah, good job, Salvinos. Well worth the money. Go pick you up one. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks to you guys who have joined Model Car Videos Facebook group. It's growing rapidly and we're having a great time. Tons of pictures and things. And I know a lot of you guys over there at the Facebook group also like NASCAR kits. So I'm glad I was able to open this one up and take a look at it with all of its parts. Yeah, that's definitely heavier than a normal. There's this plastic must be more dense or something, because it is definitely heavier. So yeah, go over and join our Facebook group. We'll have a good time there, passing along a lot of pictures. Golly, there's a lot of guys that are building kits and a lot of good stuff too. And yeah, it's been fun. Maybe I'll get to do these more often. Some unboxing and some reviews. But guys, I appreciate you watching. Again, soon I think I'll be able to build this kit. It's in line. There's a few more ahead of it, but we'll build it and we'll see how it turns out, and I'll let you know. Not only do these look good, I bet they build good. So anyway guys, thanks for watching. I'll quit rambling. I'm gonna let you go. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Guys, have a great day, and we'll see you soon. You take care. Bye.